Hello, this is Barry from Sunken Mine Railroad, and today I'm going to go over the simplest kit that Märklin made for Z-Scale, which is the 8961 platform kit right here, which I have. There aren't a lot of pieces, should be pretty quick. Got a couple of things I want to do to it. So here's what's in the box. Here's the gray pieces, which include the bench, the sign. Here's the clear roof. And there's two of these in the kit. I'm only going to need one for the Märklin Toporama. And here are the bases. And the instruction kit sheet, which is pretty straightforward. Not a lot to this kit. One thing I'm going to do, and I have downloaded a picture of the Göppingen signage for the platform and printed out on some photo paper, and I'm going to cut them out. They're very, very small, but I'm going to cut them out and stick them on the signs so it looks realistic, and you can read it. I bought some photo paper. I've got an Epson color printer. Had to do some color correcting, but that'll be kind of neat. So there's really no painting. The only thing that you need to do is don't use this kind of polystyrene glue on clear plastic because it'll melt it. As a matter of fact, you can see it on the picture of the station platform. You can see where they use styrene glue and it's actually melted in the picture. One of the things I think it's really cool is they put tiny little people. I was really hoping that they would have included some tiny little people in this kit because that would really add some nice dimension. I'm absolutely going to be filling up my layout with tiny people when I get to that phase. One of the things I'm going to do with the extra roof is when I go to build the station, I'm going to build it twice, and I'm going to build a version that has the new station actually has a clear awning on the front of the station that goes the entire length of the station. I'm going to cut this in half vertically or horizontally, and I'm going to create that awning, that rain awning on the newer station. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so I've deflashed everything and taken it off the trees, plastic. Here's the platform. Here are the 5 supports, the 2 benches and the sign, and then here's a little guardrail that belongs on the stairway. I'm not going to paint this right now until I get some prototypical stuff. I did print out some, like I mentioned, some Märklin signs, Göppingen signs, and I decided to put the Märklin logo on the little platform. So I think that's kind of neat. So these are actually in pretty good shape. So I'm going to cut these out and I'm going to glue them to here using some Elmer's glue. And then I'll start to put this puppy together. So I've got 2 tiny little signs now, and I'm going to glue them on with some Elmer's glue and set that aside while I put the rest of it together. It won't take long to set up. Okay, cool. That looks pretty cool. So I'm going to let that guy set up. need to put this sign up first, because to put this, once I get this on, it's going to be very hard to put the sign on. So I think I'm going to do that first. And then I'm going to put the posts in with some light glue, and then use the Gorilla Glue on the plastic so it doesn't make a mess. It's slow to set up, so you have plenty of time to position your parts. And there you have it. There's the platform. I'll take a couple shots and post them towards the end here. And enjoy, and I will see you next week.